Did you know the Commagene king, Antiochus, built his tumulus-type grave on the summit of a 2,150 meter high mountain, Mount Nemrut. This tomb is 50 meters high, made with crushed stones, with a burial chamber underneath. On the two sides of the tumulus grave, there are two terraces with statues of gods and goddesses, together with the statue of Antiochus. Statues are weighing like 7 to 8 tons, and the height of the statues is about 8 to 10 meters. With all this, Antiochus actually shaped the land and turned it into art. What he did about 2000 years ago was probably the earliest examples of installation and land arts.